Welcome to another vlog. So today, magpapabudol naman lang po tayo, guys. Nabudol po tayo ni Ashley pumunta ng Mr. Village. Mr. Village! Woo! So we're waiting for the bus now, going to the train station, and then we'll show you how to go to Bister. So we're going to train station Reading, and then it takes an hour or an hour and 8 minutes.
30 minutes.
No, an hour 8 minutes from the train, from Reading to Bister Village. So there's one change. I think you need to change in Oxford, and then from Oxford to Bister, it's just maybe 2 stops. It's very quick. Yeah. So join us as we go shopping in Bister Village. Pakita ko lang ito. So, 9.90. Hindi pa siya return. Pero kung kunyari, return siya today. Yan yung price. 9.95.
With rail card.
With rail card. Pero without rail cards, is 15 pounds.
It's off peak.
Off-peak. So, yan. Off-peak. So, if you're going to go back, you need to ride the off-peak train as well. Come with us. Samsung na. Tingin tayo niyan. Wala pa tayo sa exciting part. Tingin tayo. Ganda oh. $2.20 for this bottle. Best sellers. So price, look, the original is $4.25. So Village, $2.55 only. Diba? Pwede mo ako ngayon.
Giyang po gumastos.
Yan magiging wala pang sahod na.
So, ayun po. Dito po tayo papasok next. Coach.
Yeah, so Andrea found the bag that she likes. So this is like for everyday, no? Going out.
Yeah, like going out.
How much is it?
Like the big bags. Like, it's $149.
Additional.
20% off. So, it's like $119.
Wow! Yay!
Okay.
Nice, thank you! Yan na si Andrea. Where's your bag? Wow! Happy Budol Day! Happy Budol Day! Yan. Diba? 119 na lang siya, guys. Tuntua si Kuya na nagbabayad siya. Kasi parang na-excite kami. Sabi ng mga tuntua. Nakita niya kasi nag-video ako, nag-vlog ako. Tatawa siya. Sikat ka na, Kuya.
Goodbye, pera.
Nakalagay doon sa transaction, goodbye. Sabi ko, goodbye, pera yun. Labas na kami. Check muna kami ibang stores or we're gonna have lunch. Depends.
Alam mo, lunch ka tayo?
Lunch. Mag-lunch tayo sa McDonald's lang. Ang tayong pera, guys. Ayan. Entrance to Bister Village. This is the other entrance. So there's a big car park here. Oh, yan. No.
Try this one's for the Chendibar.
How much?
311. Let's try.
That's outlet. Outlet price is
Outlet is 221. Wow.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Wow, Paris Hilton.
Ang ganda.
Kate Spade. Let's go in. New York. $139 yung mga bag. 20% off oh. Yan mga wallets. Ang ganda. How much is this? Wala siyang price, guys. Cute siya. Celine. Daming tao. Good weather today. Nasa Tommy. Tommy yung nasa likod niya. Nakabili kami. Kate Spade. First Budol. D&G. Dolce and Gabbana. Ano? Olat? She didn't like anything. Meron na siya sa Shein yan. Charot. Pride. So she didn't like anything. We're gonna go out. So nasa Celine na tayo. We're in Celine. How much is that, Besh?
This is 715.
What's this?
Kilian.
Ha? Kilian. Ang bango?
May mo.
Ay, ang bango. Ang bango. Parang fresh lang. $99 lang daw. Oh.
90 lang.
Wow. Yan o, Michael Kors. There's different colors. I think ito yung, this one is the classic. Classic look. 99 pounds lang siya, guys. Diba? Ito na kayo. Go here in Bicester Village. Wow, tinatry niya na. If you like gadgets, yan bang in all cost. So, tumitingin si Andrea. So, this one, ano siya? 225. Not bad. Just trying it out. So, they have speakers as well. Diba? Taray, ganda. Tory Burch. Oh, Ami. Sikat yan. Brand. Yan. Pumasok mo si Andrea. Yan. Ami. Mga sweatshirt. Ayan no, cute ng sweatshirt. Magkano yan?
Tito Mike, ano to eh? Tito Mike, damitan.
Magkano ito?
271. Full price, 395.
So we're here in New Balance. Running shoes. Oh, this one is cute. 67. 60. For men's. This one's really nice for men. Ganda niya. Fresh foam. Gore-Tex. 107. Guys, ginabi na kami. So, last stop, Samsonite. So, I'm gonna buy Samsonite luggage. Pasok na kami. Pasok na tayo, guys. Babalikan natin yung nakita natin nung hapon pa lang. So, nakasale sila. Okay, next video yung bibilin ko.
How much this, the luggage? 4.6.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
For
Not bad.
this
Yes.
Yay, your first Samsonite. Kinilig ako.
Yes. Mission success. Luggage na.
And then si flip on.
Yeah.
I want to try it tossing it around. Let's go home. Walang tayong pera, guys.